Is it time to buy or sell Nukkleus stock? In this video, we will explore Nukkleus in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 15th of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of September, 2025, our system has categorized Nukkleus as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock has broken a very wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signify an early signal of a trend shift. Upon reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, specifically at $4.06. This level may provide a second chance to capitalize on a rise. According to fan theory, $6.87 will serve as the next potential peak level, creating a resistance level that may not be overcome on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 92.12% to negative 74.19%. Taking a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 2.10%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 56.45% to positive 948.59% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.24 and $54. Our latest daily update for Nukkleus features the headline, "Volatile Ride for Nukkleus Inc. Stock Price on Monday, moving between $4.25 and $5.18. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, the Nukkleus Inc. stock price rose by 13.94%, increasing from $4.52 to $5.15. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 21.88%, with a low of $4.25 and a high of $5.18. Over the last 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 5.75%. The trading volume also increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with approximately $11.60 million worth of shares changing hands. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $78.32, while the lowest price was $1.30. Currently, the stock price sits at 93.42%, or $73.17, below the 52-week high, and 94.14%, or $82.74, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 14th of July, 2023, when the price peaked at $87.89. Nukkleus has taken significant steps in the aerospace and defense sectors this summer, engaging in a series of deals that have transformed its business profile. In early September, the company proposed an acquisition of Tiltan Software Engineering for $14 million, aiming to enter the $28 billion defense AI and simulation market. Just 2 days later, they announced a $10 million at-the-market private placement to support further acquisitions and expansion efforts. These initiatives followed a joint venture established in late August, focused on modernizing aviation maintenance, repair, and overhaul infrastructure, which led to an impressive intraday rally of more than 40%. Additionally, Nukkleus launched a defense subsidiary and secured. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Nukkleus stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nukkleus. Nukkleus Inc. stock is currently displaying buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $4.64 and $4.89. Should the stock fall below either of these thresholds, sell signals will be triggered. Additionally, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume, alongside the price increase, is also regarded as a favorable technical indicator. It's important to note that some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 26, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 11.21%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 81 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 78 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 127 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nukkleus. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.87 and $4.78. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach of this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Nukkleus Inc. finds support just below today's level at $4.87. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.78 and $4.33. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 93 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 21.88%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 10.39%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Nukkleus, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nukkleus. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nukkleus is at $5.35. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Nukkleus faces its first support level at $4.87. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nukkleus from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 16th of December in the year 2024, when Kotaieva Anastasia conducted an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.87, reflecting a decline of 5.53%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Nukkleus stock a good buy? Nukkleus Inc. shows several positive signals, yet we believe these do not suffice for it to be classified as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting investors should either hold or accumulate while waiting for further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a hold candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 16th of September, we anticipate Nukkleus will open lower by 290 cents and begin trading at $4.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.